For demonstration, here we have 24 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches, multiple of 9, 2 times 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 plus 4 extra stitch 22 and plus 2 edge stitches 24. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat. Purl 4, knit 5. This is 9 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Again we repeat this pattern. हमें जो है so one more time yarn in front. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Now last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. In this row, purl these all stitches till the end of row, second row, and every wrong side rows we make same. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's our repeat. Purl 4, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. हमें जो है so one more time yarn in front. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Now last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge, yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.